My name is Hector. I've been in the business over 40 years. We've done all kinds of type of roofing. And now I put my heart on this particular product due to what it does. This particular one, did you just put in it? You could roll it, you could put it with a brush, you could spray it, you could do anything with this. So any way you apply it, it will come out smooth because it self-level itself. Okay, we're gonna put this fiber. Now this is what matters. See what we did? You gotta do this to make sure it's all nice and flat. Now we're gonna put the second one, not even thick. And you see how easy it's applied. Back and forth. Now, with that, definitely you're gonna get a lot of years. It will not rip or anything. And you don't need a lot of it. Just a little bit underneath, a little bit up top. It dries in 15 minutes. Well, you see how it's smooth? I could put a line right here. And you see it's gonna eventually close itself. Now I'm gonna show you guys, this is happening right now, but after it's done, I could explain to you the difference when it's complete and done. If you notice, it's just a little piece. Look, not even 1 millimeter. You try to break it, try to rip it, try it. The only way you could get it is gonna be this way. My material, our material that we're trying to introduce, what it does, if you notice when we try to peel it, if you notice when we're peeling it, it comes with your material. It comes with the material on the bottom. You see where it is? It's so stuck that it takes half of the material from the torch down. The point of any other coatings that we come across, that we experiment with, this is what it does. You try to peel it, it just breaks in pieces and it doesn't bring the rock down. If you see right here, this piece, you see, it should be peeling off with the rock in there. You see what it does? No rock, no nothing. It doesn't even stick. With me, it brings all your material back, all your rock. That's showing you how strong it is and how it seals. You see how thin it is? And look, at when you peel it, it peels everything together. Look at that. Look at that. Everywhere you go, it peels. It peels in one solid piece. Not like that one over there that we had. I wanted to show you the difference between the coating metal and the one is not coated. So this material is made to apply to pretty much anything, concrete, wood, name it. You can put it in there and it sticks very strong. So now when you put this and you coat it and you put it on outside where the heat is, we're gonna show you the difference on the temperatures.
One without, we're at, as you can see, 126 degrees. 126 without sealing. With the sealing coating applied,
One coat.
mind you, we're down to 94 degrees.
Okay, 2 coats.
Wow, 126 without, 96 with. And this is with seal it 2 coats, same metal, down to 92 degrees.
Guys, that 1 coat seal, it saves about 30%. It's a Title 24 energy efficient, 35 degrees cooler. A 25-year warranty with a NDL, instant bonding. Works on high wind areas. Say you're putting it on and it starts to rain. you're not gonna have a mess all over.